Hello there YouTube. As promised, I'm going to install the Gulikit electromagnetic analog sticks on my Steam Deck, and this will be a tutorial on how to do it.
969 969.
So first I'm taking all the bolts out of the system. Okay, the ones on the sides are longer than the ones in the middle. I'll do the easy ones first. Go. I need to change the head because these on the sides are a little different. Well, now it's opened. The ones on the sides I had to use a flathead screwdriver, and now we have to find a way to get inside of here. And you have it's a pressurized plastic. Well, it's fitted in by pressurizing, and I need to find, well, here are some gaps. I can use these gaps to just open it, and the best way to do it is with a plastic prier. So I started here. I kind of pressurize it to open, so it's clicking open at the moment. So like this, you can see there is a gap now. I'm turning it sideways, and I'm gonna try to do it on this side as well. It's not easy on the camera, so I'm just trying to find a good spot to put this prying tool in.
This video is brought to you by PCBWay, your one-stop for all PCB needs. We can design, prototype and build the boards your business requires at a price you can afford. Right now, 4 and 6 layer PCB costs have been reduced by 20%. The highest quality is matched by a quick order process and a 99% on-time delivery. The best value, low minimum orders and a fast turnaround. PCBWay.com.
So what I have done is I kind of pulled it, and now it's just opening itself. So I'm going to try to do it on this side as well. I have to do it off camera because I have to do some pressure with my my leg on it. Okay, this side is open, but the other side is still really firmly in there. So we got it open. So I really have to just kind of open a part and then kind of pull it apart, if you may say. All worked out well. This is still in one piece. I don't see anything that's broken off, which is great. So now we have to take this off here. You pull the tab. Hold on, let me zoom in a bit. And here. So you pull this tab off. You know, you just pull it this side, and then you can just grab it and pull it. So now it's now pulled away. You don't have to really peel it off. You just pull it this way, and you do the other side the same here. Just now it's open. It's pretty fragile, guys, so don't really put any pressure on it. So now this one is also disconnected, and now you just take these 3 bolts off on both sides. So let me see which of my, okay, this might not do it. I'll try with the flathead. Yeah, I had to use the flathead on this one as well. So one here and the second one here. And the third one. There we go. Now I'm gonna just pull this towards me. There we go. Now put the bolt aside. Here. For some reason there is something on here, like, you know, like kind of glue. And all the ones that I've seen online had a red wire. This one has a, what is this? Gray. It's a gray blue wire, like a kind of metallic. So what we have to do now is unsolder this one. And yeah, there is something on there. You know, there is some kind of a material. I don't know what this is. It's to reinforce it, I think. So now I'm gonna try to desolder this and get it on the other one. So now I'm getting my soldering iron ready. Press. I did. This should be enough. Alright. So once it's hot enough, I'll just take it this way. Here. There's some sort of glue on here. I'm trying to scrape it off. Yeah. Once you scrape it off, it comes up really easily, but you first have to scrape it off. And here you can see it's gone off. So you're left with this wire, with this actually, the analog holder, if you might say. So now we're gonna take one of the Gulikit. So this one was the R, so we're gonna take the right one here and turn it over, which will have to come on this spot right there. So it should come on here this way. Yeah, it's long enough, so I'll just take it off first, place it like this, and first attempt. Good enough. I might have to make this a little thicker so it doesn't come off easily. So let me get some soldering paste. Oh, I have it here. I don't have to go. So I'll just put some of these. It's not paste, it's actually solder itself. So I'm just gonna put some of it here. So it got a little thicker, which should be better. If I didn't do it, maybe it would be just not enough solder and it might come off easily. I could have, used some kind of glue here, as Volvo also has done it out of the factory, but we'll try it first this way. So I'm just pushing it in like this. So now, hold on here. I'm sorry guys, I don't know where to look at, so sometimes I'm off the camera, but this is what the installation looks like. As you can see, pretty simple. It's just one solder and I did it within a couple of seconds. So this is fixed. I'm just hoping that it's working as well. So let's put the one of it back in there. That was actually the glue that was on the original one that I had to take off. So let's open it again and we'll have to push it in this way. Up here. We just I'm just trying to be gentle with it. The cable is here. Yeah, that's it. You can't actually go wrong with this because it fits in there perfectly. So now we take all these 3 screws, and where is my flathead screwdriver? Here, and we'll just fix it into place here. I'm just dropping one by one. That's one. No, the second one. Right. I'll just try to do it manually. It doesn't want to. That sounded bad, but it's not that bad, so no worries. It just, these screws are not magnetic. That's why it is a little harder. Well, actually this isn't really gone in well, so I'm gonna redo it. Yeah, this is good enough. All right. So first one is done. Now we go to the second one, which is here. First screw, second screw, and the third one. There we go. It is a little stuck there for some reason. Yeah, lifting it up helped a bit. So okay, we have the same manner here. So there is still some gooey on there. We have to take it off. Well, I'm just gonna try to peel it off this way. Actually scratch it off. Hold on, so you can see. Maybe it's better to try to do it with the soldering iron because that heats it up and might be easier to get it off. So I'll press here and I'll heat it up to 340 this time. That might be easier, so I'll take this off. Yeah, this is going really easy. Scratching it off, and then it starts melting, so you have to get the cable a little off here and then melt it and pull it. That's it. As you can maybe hear, yeah, this is the point. So not really, I don't know what kind of glue that they used or whatever it is, but it doesn't smell nice when you melt it. I guess anything that you melt doesn't smell nice. So now we're going to take the second Gulikit analog stick on the left one this time, and we're going to install it like so, this way. So I'll just try to yeah, it's on there. You saw how easy that was, but I'm just gonna reinforce it with this, some solder on top of it. That's it. I don't like the way it stands there. Okay, I messed it up, so I'll just try it again. Yeah, that looks good. So we don't need the soldering iron anymore. And now I'm just gonna push this in. That's it. And we're going to install it on the left side. Well, actually, that's the right side, but on the left analog stick here. There we go. Let me just pull it this way. It's pushing from the inside out, so you have to get it in there. And I'll try to push it here. So the first screw, hold on, something's wrong. I need to push it here. Hold on. Don't you go falling in there. I think I'll have to do this on with one hand. Make sure the cable is on the top of it. And we'll try it again. So now the screw is on its place. That's the one. And the second one. Oh, this is not easy. Just to align it on the hole. There we go. That's the second screw, and now the third one. There we go. That's it. Now we have to use these tabs. I mean, the cables, we just have to push it in their socket. Make sure the black tab is up. So you have to align it and push it. That's it. That's one. And now the second one here. This one is already pushed up. So I'm just going to try to push it in its socket. That's it. So now you have here buttons, yeah, on both sides, here and here. So what we have to do now is turn our Steam Deck on. Well, hopefully it does turn on. It does. So now we just have to wait just to calibrate these analog sticks, electromagnetic analog sticks now. And once it's booted up, I'll just go into the menu and reset them. Well, I don't have to go into the menu. I'll just first look at it. If they are already, oh, there is some light on it, so I'll do my best. So I'll go to settings, and then you go to controller, and then calibration, I think here, yeah. So we press it, Y. Oh, you see, it's already that spot on. So it is in the middle, which is what we're looking for. Well, I'll press it anyways. Hold on, let me do the right stick now. Right joystick, and then see, this one is not center. See, it's not. So this is the center. I'll just now press this. I just found some toothpick. Well, I hope this will work. Yeah, I press this one and I press, oh, the only problem is you have to keep it not touching the ground and then reset it. I press that one and now this one as well. That's it. And now let's try it again. So the right one is now center. See? I don't know if you can see it. And if I go to the left one, oh, sorry, and open, and the left joystick, here, also that center. See? And this is the right one. That's it. So now what you have to do is reassemble everything, and that's it. Let me get out of here. Let's just see what we have to do now. So how you do this procedure is just the reverse of what you've done. So we have the back plate, okay, and was kind of really just a pull. So we're just gonna press. I just laid it on top here, and now I'm gonna start with this side. So it's just really nicely clicked there in and here as well. So I'm just turning around, just following the edge. I think that's it. Yeah. Now let's try to see. I'll just open a game here. Play. Alright. So as you guys can see, it's a pretty easy procedure, and now I'll just have to see if these haptic, well, the touch sensors on these also work. I can't test it because I don't have a game that supports it, but I can, well, actually, yeah, I'll just have to change the settings and do it. I'll try it because Steam Deck is pretty new for me. Continue. So I don't know how to do all the settings and everything, but it should work. So this works fine. Oops. So going back. Oh, it doesn't work. So go to Steam Deck, settings, controller, begin test. Well, it's just testing. Oh, here you can also see that it's working or not. You see, I pressed them both of it. The click systems do work. They lit up. Everything is working. Well, we have to test it. Otherwise, we don't know if everything is fine after we reassemble it. So these buttons as well. And that's it. I don't see anything else on there. Hold to exit. Hold B. Okay. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Well, I didn't forget to screw these screws in, but I will do it off camera. So, guys, I hope this tutorial of the installation was kind of easy. Anyways, guys, Thank you for watching this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more contents like this in the future. Bye!